This is a VR headset. Ever wondered how it actually works? A VR headset is a device that creates a 3D digital world around you. But it's not magic. It's a mix of optics, screens, sensors, and software that fools your brain into thinking the virtual is real. Inside the headset, there are two small high-resolution screens, one for each eye. These screens show slightly different images. Your brain combines them into a single 3D picture. This is called stereoscopic vision. Between your eyes and the screens are special lenses. They stretch the image and increase the field of view, so you feel surrounded. This is what makes you feel inside the environment, not just watching it. VR headsets track your head movements in real time. They use a combo of gyroscopes, accelerometers, and sometimes magnetometers. Tilt left, the world tilts with you. Look up, the sky moves too. This tracking is called 6 degrees of freedom, or 6-2F. To interact with objects, you use VR controllers. These have sensors that track your hand movements and button presses. Some advanced systems even track your fingers directly using cameras. Audio matters too. VR uses spatial sound, which makes noise come from specific directions: front, back, above, below. Add haptic feedback, vibrations in controllers, and the illusion gets even stronger. Your brain doesn't care that it's fake. It responds to VR like it's real. It can trigger real fear, excitement, even motion sickness, because the experience feels so believable. VR headsets don't just show you another world, they pull you into it. And now, you know exactly how they do it.